Hello, and welcome to Electro Mastery, where we simplify the electrical trade one skill at a time. Today, we'll be talking about something every electrician needs to understand inside and out: wire nut sizes. Wire nuts, also called wire connectors, are essential for safely joining electrical wires. But did you know that choosing the wrong size can lead to loose connections, overheating, or even fires? Let's break it down. Wire nuts are color-coded based on size and wire capacity. While colors can vary slightly by manufacturers, here's a general guide you can count on. Gray wire nuts, smaller size, perfect for connecting gauges from 22 to 16 gauge wires. Blue wire nuts, common in lighting circuits, fits 2 or 3 18 gauge wires. Orange wire nuts, ideal for 14 and 16 gauge wires, often used in outlet and switch boxes. Yellow wire nuts, more versatile, handles 2 or 3 12 gauge wires up to 14. Red wire nuts, larger jobs, great for more than 10 to 12 gauge wires. Tan or green wire nuts, often used for ground wire. These are special purpose connectors, sometimes with a hole for pigtailing. Let's start with the wire gauge. Add up the number and size of wires you're connecting and match that to the manufacturer's chart, usually found on the packaging of the product sheet. And always do a tug test. After twisting your wires together and capping them with the nut, gently tug each wire to ensure it's secure. If it slips, it's too small or not properly twisted. A few pro steps. Don't mix solid and stranded wires without checking compatibility. Don't over tighten to the point nut cracks or strips. And never reuse wire nuts. Once you use them, throw them away. If you find this is helpful, be sure to subscribe, share, and check out our full course series at electromastery.com, where we turn future electricians into certified pros. Until next time, stay safe and be grounded. Thank you.